Alright, today's the big day. Finally get my glove box in. I had to get the things, hold dash in. Got it done. Don't move. Good to go. So now, didn't see anything on the internet about this, so I'll just make something. Shouldn't be no big deal. There's little inserts on the top. This is for the latch. This is for the switch or something. I have it right here. I just don't know what it is. Whatever. Light, I think. There's a light bulb or something that goes in there. Don't know. If you know, put in the comments. I'm learning on these Novas as I go, so I'm pretty sure it's going to use the glove box screws that dumped out. I'll press it, and then up here I have this one and I have this one, but I noticed there's two holes, one here and one over here. I don't have the screws for, so we'll have a code red when I get to that one. I'm gonna pull these out so I can see what threads they are for these two. So we start pulling this apart. If I remember right, I gotta use a stubby for this because it's spring loaded. We'll pull these out. I've been out, I don't know how many times already. These, I'm sure it slides in underneath this. Challenge for me. The two top missing ones I gotta find. And how this slides in. I don't know if it goes underneath. There's not a whole lot of room, so I don't know. Wasn't able to find anything on the net to help. I don't even know how these were actually. Let me look. Oh. So somebody, part of the old one was holding. I was like, I don't even know how those screws are in, but apparently I found some of the original. So I'm gonna have to fight with this one, obviously. Oh, there we go. Get the glove box down. Yeah, there's the original. That's what's left of my original glove box right there. Alright. So I'm gonna go try to track down. Well, I have to find one and find two more for the top. Alright, I think I got it. It was a challenge getting this camera in position. So, nothing on the internet. I just want to double check that. So, it's got to go through here. There's no way it could fit behind it because there's actually a brace as well that this part has to go in between. So this one has to go in this way. It'd have to. It goes in like that. Right now I'm hitting the brace, which is causing a problem. So somehow maybe you can go behind. No. So let's try it the other way. This way. Just put it straight in, turn it to the passenger side. See how this works. Okay, it's hitting. Something. It's gonna come toward me. left. Needs to go a little more. So get some in. I don't know what's hidden. Okay, so it cannot go that way. It's hidden on this side. Goes. Oh yeah, got it. Oh, the top has to go above. It has the bottom has to go in there. Like so. Now I'm gonna try to put this still needs to go that way, but where does it go like this? It goes like that. Okay. Yeah, that's much better. Like that. So it has holes, has notches, and it has holes. The holes line up. They have to go where the screw holes are. Okay, that's how it goes. Make sure your metal clips. This one slid all the way over. They go in like that. That goes in like that. Alright, that's going to be probably really fun, but let me try to get the top screws in now. Let's see. 1, 2. We got 3. 2, 3, and got 3 on the top. So let me attempt to get these top ones in. Okay, it's way off. There it goes. Very hard to see. There's 2 little holes you can put your fingers in and pull it forward. That's helpful. I need a flashlight because I can't freaking see where the holes are. There you go. I think it's there. Right there. Let me get the... After that one, pretty sure we got 2. Yep, 2. I'm trying to leave them kind of loose. 3. That one. And we're going for 4. So unfortunately, let's take this one back out. See if I can stretch it over there somehow. There's a lip. I'm trying to get it to get on. Maybe right there. Yeah. Alright. I think we got it. Here we go. Doing all these. There's that. Okay. Now all we got left is the glove box, or the glove box door, I should say. To be correct. Looks like all those are lined up ish. Let's give this a whirl. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the tabs, the holes. Make sure your clips are good. This may have to be pulled a little forward where they go in. Let's try to do the middle one first, see if we can get it. I think we're in. This side's a problem. Needs to push that way. There it goes. We're in. It's hard to tell. Okay. Now we're gonna take this. Yeah, we're in. I believe. Yep. So there is a glove box light bulb, which I don't have installed. I have the switch and all that's there, but on this car I'm not gonna use it. Put this stop on. Oh, that sucks. So this is gonna be a real pain to get on. Yeah, I'm going to have to go underneath the dash to get the rubber piece on for this. There's a glove box. You got your access port for your light if you're going to use it. This sits on the inside, on both sides. Top screws in. Very well made, very strong, sturdy. So, here's there. Glove box done. Now I just got to replace this lock.